Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Git is installed and configured with your user. Name and user. Email so commits link to you. Next, create a repository on GitHub or run Git in it locally to start version control, add a README, MD, and a sensible. Git ignore to avoid tracking build artifacts. Once done, stage and run Git commit M, initial commit to capture the baseline. This gives you a clean starting point and a commit to reference for future changes. You should work on a feature branch for every change so history stays organized. Run git checkout bfeature/name and commit often with clear messages. Push your branch and open a pull request to trigger reviews and continuous integration. Reviewers catch issues before merging. To integrate updates, fetch from origin and rebase or merge as your team prefers. Resolve conflicts locally, test, then push the reconciled branch. Doing this preserves a clean main branch and a reliable release path. You'll create releases by tagging stable commits and pushing tags to GitHub, enabling clear versions for deployments. Make sure to protect the main branch and require pull request reviews plus CI passing before merges. Maintain your repo by pruning stale branches and updating dependencies on a schedule so technical debt doesn't pile up. If something breaks, run git bisect to quickly locate the problematic commit, test fixes in a feature branch, then merge the patch through your normal review and CI process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.